Hey everyone, welcome to another Walkthrough Wednesday. Today we are going to do the Outback 335 CG by Keystone RV. Starting up front, you've got your nice electric tongue jack. You've got a wraparound front cap on this one with a rock guard, LED lighting, pass-through storage. You have all magnetic catches on your doors, so you don't have to worry about those plastic clips anymore. Slam latches. Nice big awning on this one. TV hookups here. Solid steps going into the camper. Outside kitchen. You also have TV hookups on this end as well. You've got a 2-burner cooktop, hot and cold water to your sink, as well as a refrigerator. And you also have some drawer space. Ladder to a fully walkable roof on this one, as well as backup camera prep. Now we're going to head inside and take a look. Alright guys, coming in here, you've got nice opposing slide out, so that gives you your island, gives you a lot of prep space. You have a 12-volt electric refrigerator, which is 12 cubic foot, 3-burner cooktop and oven, as well as your microwave, and just lots of cabinet space, lots of drawer space. You have a booth dinette on this side that does make a bed. Lots of windows, really opens it up in here. Thomas Paine theater seating right across from your TV. You also have your electric fireplace and some cabinet space. Jack and Jill bathroom with a nice big corner shower. Love the barn doors that they did in here. Gabby, if you want to show them the bedroom, you've got a wardrobe slide out, so that gives you plenty of closet space. You also have hanging space on both sides of your bed with USB ports and 110 outlets. This is actually a toy hauler. So you've got your little toy box back here. You can fit a golf cart, motorcycle, four-wheeler, kayaks, bicycles, anything like that back here. You got a bunk on your left side, as well as a couch that folds out to make a bed as well. Guys, this was Walkthrough Wednesday. Thank you so much for watching. If you have any questions, please give us a call or drop them in the comments below, and we'll be happy to help.